Hi guys, welcome to another video. It has been a long time we have met. My exams are over and I have got a means expected marks. So guys, in this video I am going to review two games, any first two games. So let's take the alien planet. Okay guys, it does not seem to be very good game, but I can see the poster, it is rubbish. So let's take the which game. Okay, let's take the helicopter. Oh, I needed the helicopter, bro. Okay, it is called the helicopter rescue stimulator. So guys, let's install it and then see. It has like 4,799 users, so may it has like come recently. It is a stimulation game which will teach you how to fly, almost teach you how to fly an helicopter. Let's see guys, we would be checking out the next game. The next game would be, let me see, okay guys, the next game would be, let's see, we would be taking the um, okay guys, let's take this fail hard. I think this is a very pretty cool game. It has 484,000 58400, sorry guys, 484,000 users, 484,000 users all are the same. I don't think this is a very bad game, although the Play Store has given it 3.9 stars out of 5. So guys, here we are with the helicopter rescue stimulator. Let's see guys, how does this game work. So guys, here it is. Let's play this game. This game. Hello new pilot, welcome to helicopter rescue stimulator. I know you play bitch. Okay, you old man. I get it. Great. So guys, here we take off. Where the fuck we have to go? So guys, he's teaching us how to fly an helicopter. I guarantee this, through this method we can't fly any real helicopter, but we can fly this game helicopter. We gotta go through the checkpoint. Where the fuck is the checkpoint? Okay, I see it. I see you. Let's slow down our helicopter, guys. Let's see. We gotta land it here, guys. Gotta land at the checkpoint. Let's go down. A bit right, a bit right. I don't see the helipad. Okay, I see it. I see it. There that is. We gotta go right, a bit right, a bit left, down. A bit forward, a bit down. A bit forward. Get down. Okay, guys, we have to control our emotions. We can't just take the helicopter any way we want. We have to collect the stars and let's see what happens. Got the second star, guys. Where the hell we have to go? I don't get it. We don't have to go down, guys. I get it. We gotta land this, guys. This is the difficult test, like the difficult landing. Like I have lots of problems like when I land. So let's try if we can do or not. So guys, I would be giving this game like 4.2 out of 5. Okay guys, we are here with the game. Let's check this out. I'm on the first level. Okay guys, we have got the first bike. I'm not understanding what to do, so just bear with me. Guys, let's see what's the next level. It is a very funny game, guys. It just have 2 buttons. One is for go and another is for wheelie. again crashed, guys. Okay, guys, I noticed that there is one more button which is for a 360 backflip. So let's check this 360 out. My bike is gone, guys. It is pretty hard game. But guys, for it is like real hard game. I almost crashed thrice in 2 levels. Okay guys, this is a very pretty game. Let's see what's the next level. I would give this game like 3.5. It is like lesser than the Play Store, which Play Store has given like the rating. Okay guys, this is a pretty okay kind of game. Let's play it guys, I'm really enjoying it. Why? Why did he jump? I don't understand that. What the fuck, guys? Tried for the 360, but let's try it for another 360. But we have to go on that tires. Let's try it again. We would be doing like real circle. I get it, guys. We have to go on the car, and the car would take us. The fuck did happen? Okay guys, I am just quitting this game. This game is like a piece of nonsense. I hate this game. Please check out this game if you like, but I don't like it. Please subscribe. Keep smiling. Peace out, guys.